morning, Grade 2. Are you ready for this week's spelling test? Can you write number 1 all the way up to number 20 on a piece of paper? Press pause, and when you're ready, press play again. Okay, let's get started. This week we've been looking at 2 rules. The first rule is when we take off the silent E and add ing. And the second rule is when the word ends in a consonant, we double the consonant and then we add ing. The first 10 spellings use the silent E rule. Take off the silent E and add ing. Are you ready for the first 10? Number 1. Bouncing. I am bouncing the ball. Pause the video if you need more time. Number 2. Damaging. We are damaging the rainforest. Number 3. Deciding. I am deciding what to have for tea. Number 4. Exploring. I love exploring new places. Remember, if I'm going too quickly, please remember to press pause. Number 5. Imagining. I am imagining a world made of cotton candy. Number 6. Writing. I enjoy writing poems. Number 7. Pausing. I am pausing the video. Number 8. Measuring. I am measuring the table. Number 9. Dancing. I enjoy dancing to music. Number 10. Wrestling. Wrestling is my favourite sport. Okay, now the next 10 spellings we're going to look at rule number 2. Do you remember what to do when there's a consonant? You need to double the consonant before you add ing. So there should be double letters in every single spelling. Are you ready? Number 11. Cutting. I am cutting a piece of paper. Remember, double the consonant. Number 12. Dropping. I hate dropping litter. Number 13. Grabbing. I am grabbing the steering wheel. Number 14. Shopping. I love going shopping. Number 15. Skipping. I enjoy skipping in the playground. Number 16. Getting. It is getting hotter every day. Number 17. Digging. I am digging for gold. Number 18. Clapping. I am clapping my hands. Number 19. Beginning. I am beginning to feel confident. And the last one, number 20, is planning. I am planning my birthday party. Now, before we go through the answers, just double check that all of your spellings from number 11 to 20 have a double consonant. So for example, cutting, can you see a double T? Dropping, double P. Look through your spellings before we go through the answers. Now, your spellings are on the screen. You might want to pause the video to help you mark, or you might like to listen to me. Ready? Number 1, bouncing. B-O-U-N-C-I-N-G. Number 2 was damaging. D-A-M-A-G-I-N-G. Number 3, deciding. D-E-C-I-D-I-N-G. Number 4, exploring. E-X-P-L-O-R-I-N-G. Number 5, imagining. I-M-A-G-I-N-I-N-G. Number 6, writing. W-R-I-T-I-N-G. Number 7, pausing. P-A-U-S-I-N-G. Number 8, measuring. M-E-A-S-U-R-I-N-G. Tricky one. Number 9, dancing. D-A-N-C-I-N-G. And number 10 was wrestling. W-R-E-S-T-L-I-N-G. Let's look at the doubling words now. Cutting. C-U-T-T-I-N-G. Number 12 was dropping. D-R-O-P-P-I-N-G. Grabbing. G-R-A-B-B-I-N-G. Number 14 was shopping. S-H-O-P-P-I-N-G. Number 15 was skipping. S-K-I-P-P-I-N-G. Number 16 was getting. G-E-T-T-I-N-G. Number 17 was digging. D-I-G-G-I-N-G. Number 18 was clapping. C-L-A-P-P-I-N-G. Number 19, beginning. B-E-G-I-N-N-I-N-G. That was definitely tricky. Well done if you got that one correct. And number 20 was planning. P-L-A-N-N-I-N-G. How did you do? Count up all of your ticks and give yourself a score. Notice any of the words that you found tricky. I would like you to practice those words now. Now, if you got them all correct, choose the words that you thought were the trickiest words to spell so you can be extra confident. I would like you to choose 5 of your trickiest spellings and write them in a sentence. For example, you might say, I watched the wrestling with my dad. Or, I am cutting my piece of paper. When you finish that, if there's time, you can go on to Epic or Bug Club. So focus now on writing your 5 sentences before the lesson is finished. Well done everyone, and I hope you're feeling super confident at your ING words.